深呼吸咳嗽法，请双手放置在伤口上，以鼻子缓慢深吸气，同时以双手加压至伤口上，到不能吸气为止。闭气约3到5秒，腹部用力做咳嗽动作。
现在做翻身运动，第一种右侧卧。先将病人的身体往左侧移动，再将病人的臀部往左侧移动，再将手抱至胸前，之后再将病人的左脚放至右脚上，一手放肩膀，一手放在臀部，把它翻身，再将他的头抬起，枕头移过来，再把走到病人的对侧。第二种，平躺，将手放在病人的肩膀及臀部，把它往下放至平躺，再将他的手自然的放在身体的两侧，把他的左脚放置他伸展放，然后再将他的头抬起，将枕头一正。第三种，左侧卧。将病人的身体往右侧移动，将病人的臀部往右侧移动，再将病人的手抱至胸前，右脚放至左脚上，一只手再放在肩膀上及臀部上，翻身，再将他的头抬起，枕头移过来。注意每2小时需要翻身1次。拉起身来，谢谢完毕。
This is #1 champion sound, yeah, Estelle, we about to get down. Who the hottest in the world right now? Just touched down in London town. Bet they give me a pound. Tell them put the money in my hand right now. Set a promoter, we need more seats. We just sold out all the floor seats.
Take me on a trip, I'd like to go someday. Take me to New York, I'd love to see LA. I really want to come pick it with you.
现在要做的是深呼吸咳嗽法，请双手放置在伤口上，以鼻子缓慢深呼吸。错了！
I'm liking this American boy, American boy. Take me on a trip, I'd love to someday. Take me to New York, I'd love to see LA. I really want to come pick it with you. You'll be my American boy, American boy. Can you get away this weekend? Take me to Broadway. Let's go shopping, maybe then we'll go to a cafe. Let's go on the subway, take me to your hood. I've never been to Brooklyn and I'd like to see what's good. Dressed in all your fancy clothes, sneakers looking fresh to death. I'm loving no show toes. Walking out